Hello friends, very warm welcome to my channel eyeshadow. Thank you very much for showering me so much love. Today my topic is smoky eyeliner tutorial. This is very simple and easy for beginner. Hope you guys will enjoy very much. Before starting, if you are new in this channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified time to time, and of course don't forget to like and share this video. Let's begin. So first of all, I have to draw my eyebrow, and for that I'm using Mars Micro Precision Eyebrow Pencil. I'm combing my eyebrow with the inbuilt spoolie brush and drawing my eyebrow with the eyebrow pencil. This is very easy. You have to follow what I am doing. After drawing, you have to comb your eyebrow. Next, I am using Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade is Ivory Fair, and I am using a brush from Naked Tree Brush. Define the eyebrow using the help of concealer and concealer brush, and you can see the difference before and after. Blending this concealer with a wet sponge. Now I am applying some quantity of concealer with the concealer brush on the eyelid. Now I will use a sellotape to point out my eye corner. So first I am using this shade from Mars Eyeshadow Palette 1 with the help of the brush from Naked Tree Brush set. This is an eyeshadow brush. So first you have to draw like this, like an eyeliner. Next I am using a black eyeshadow from Mars Eyeshadow Palette 2. You have to apply with the same brush like this. Next I am applying one more coat of black eyeshadow for the upper lash line. Then on the lower lash line I am applying black eyeshadow with the help of same eyeshadow brush. After that I am using this shade on the lower lash line. Now I am applying Lakme Iconic Kajal on the upper waterline and lower waterline. This eyeshadow on the apple purple eyeshadow. Again, I will this eyeshadow just to define from the upper. Yeah, exactly. So now I am removing the sellotape and you can see the magic. Now I am smudging this eyeshadow a little bit with the help of brush. After all the activity is done, you can do this part. You can take some concealer with a concealer brush and define your eyes like this. It will remove your all extra marks from the lower eyes. Let's blend and put some translucent powder over it, and this is perfect. Now finishing my eye makeup with the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara, which is my all-time favorite. So this is a magical eyelash curler which I bought from Amazon 2 years ago, and now it is working very good. Now finishing my eye makeup with the highlighter from Swiss Beauty, I am applying this on the brow bone and inner corner. Hope you guys have enjoyed very much, and thanks for watching this video till end. All the product links what I am using in this video I will keep in the description box. You can go and check out my lens buying link also I will keep in the description box. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you on a brand new one.